Hello buddies, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. So this video is going to be the continuation of my previous video which was on personal branding, and this video is going to be on how to build a personal brand. Personal brand is a very interesting topic to talk on, and this video is all about how you can build your personal brand in 2025 that is simple, relatable and real. So let's go. सो पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग सुनते ही सबको वही टिपिकल लाइन याद आती है, दैट इज कंसिस्टेंट रहो, नीश चूज करो, रिलेटेबल रहो, ऑथेंटिक रहो. बट लाइक या कूल, बट वी हर्ड दैट इन क्लास 11th. What's now? What's real? What's working for today's time, 2025, 2026? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to build your personal brand. Point number one, your searchable self means more than your aesthetic feed. मतलब देखो, पर्सनल ब्रांड का सबसे अंडररेटेड पार्ट यही है कि हाउ इजीली समवन कैन फाइंड मीनिंगफुल स्टफ अबाउट यू ऑनलाइन, ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, गूगल, लिंक्डइन, एनीवेयर, बट एक्चुअल सब्सटेंस. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ समवन सर्चेज योर नेम प्लस नोट्स, do they find something meaningful or something that's actually helping them? Or maybe if someone searches your name plus your college name, do they find something relatable? If yes, congratulations, you are working towards your personal brand, and if no, stay till the end because this video is specially for you. And it does not has to be professional, but something. It should be just anything that gives hint about your personality, and that's it. Also, Career Builder के survey के according 60% of the employers stalk your socials before even hiring you. So at least make their stalking worthwhile. Show something good and discoverable that can help you get hired way much easily. Point number two, build a micro skill stack instead of chasing expertise. अब ये बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. You do not have to be an absolute expert at one thing. Rather, जो भी दो तीन चीज़ों में तुम अच्छे हो उसका combination बनाओ, and that is going to be your real advantage. मतलब for example, if you're good at editing and पढ़ाई में भी ठीक ठाक हो, you can make some really good study content that will actually work. Or maybe if you're good at designing and थोड़ी बहुत editing कर सकते हो again, you can make some really crazy good art content or any content. There are multiple of opportunities out there. You just need to grab them. You just need to do your part, and it can be your way to your personal brand. Point number three, have a recurring idea in your each video. मतलब बहुत सिंपल है, समझो. Something or any one belief you deeply believe in naturally, not forcefully, but something जो naturally तुम करते हो अपनी हर एक वीडियो में, slowly becomes your recurring idea. For example, अगर आप अपनी हर वीडियो में बोलते हो small progress is still progress, and वो आप naturally हर वीडियो में बोल रहे हो, that is your recurring idea. It does not have to be 20 things, but just one, because people remember only 1 to 2 things per person, and that blank about you is your recurring idea. So eventually, people start to recognize you for that one vibe you have naturally in all your videos and not intentionally. Fourth point, your invisible resume is way more powerful than your real resume. अपनी रोजाना की जिंदगी में तुम जो भी कर रहे हो, इंटर्नशिप, स्टडीज, इवन घूमने जा रहे हो या फिर कुछ भी कर रहे हो, नोट्स भी बना रहे हो फॉर अ फैक्ट, उसको डॉक्यूमेंट करो. जस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट इट, because everything that you're doing, show it to the world, not in a braggy way, but in a way that is actually helpful to others and knowledgeable to others and motivating to others. For example, if you are learning some stuff for your college placement, document that journey, that this is how I'm studying, this is what I'm doing for that placement. Or maybe if you are creating an art piece, just show the process, this is how I'm doing it. Just document it, because documentation is the easiest way to build your portfolio that can help you in the long run when you are actually sitting for the placements, because people love actual practical portfolios that have your real work and real sweat, they truly are way more important and preferred than any kind of unpaid internship you are doing. Trust me, freelancing is way better if you understand. That's a whole another concept, another theory we're going to talk another day about. But yeah, having an documentation of your life of your 20s is a real game changer. Trust me. Obviously, it does not have to be perfect, it just has to exist, because after a year or so, it's going to be like a storybook you have that shows your growth. And that growth of your invisible resume that you have in your resume invisible one is way more preferred, and it attracts way more opportunities than a real CV ever will. And there are hundred and multiples of examples of that online, that how people started documenting their life even on LinkedIn or Instagram or anywhere, and they attracted opportunities. So yeah. Fifth pointer, the audience of three. This is a very crazy concept, and it is very essential and makes your branding so easy. तुम कंटेंट पूरी दुनिया के लिए मत बनाओ, तुम बस इन तीन चीज़ों पे फोकस करो, इन तीन लोगों पे: अ फ्यूचर रिक्रूटर, अ पॉसिबल फ्यूचर कोलैबोरेटर, एंड अ पॉसिबली अ स्टूडेंट जो तुम्हारी एज का है, जिसको तुम्हारे कंटेंट से नॉलेज या मोटिवेशन मिल रही है। अगर तुम ये थ्री फैक्टर्स या पिलर्स को अपील कर रहे हो, you're good to go. You do not need to change your perspective of your content, you do not need to change the format of your content or the pattern of the content. It is working if you are fulfilling these three appeals. And this makes you so unique in yourself, so rare, that you are not even copying trends anymore. You're just doing what you are doing, what you think of life, what you think is essential for your teenager years to be learning or to be known to. Like, I make this content because I feel I wish I knew this earlier. I wish I knew this on my first day of internship. I wish I knew this when I stepped into college. So I'm making those videos which can actually help people my age. So that is my personal brand which I am trying to build, and that is why I'm helping you, because we're on the same page, buddy. Yeah. Now, point number 6. Show unpolished proof. लोग थक चुके हैं perfection को अपनी फीड में देख देख कर, and having a perfect shot of something does not mean trust. Your real self or the messy draft you have is more trustworthy to people nowadays. For example, the day you didn't feel like studying, or the day you didn't feel like going to college because you wanted to sleep more, so you bunked a class or you skipped a class, and it's fine. That's way more trustworthy than any perfect shot you have of 3 4 days combined, or how my day went. Rather, having an uncompleted note set or an uncompleted draft that you just randomly post, दैट्स वे मोर ट्रस्टवर्दी। यही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं जो एंड में आपको मोर ट्रस्टवर्दी बनाती हैं, बिकॉज रिलेटेबल इज ऑलवेज मोर ट्रस्टफुल देन एन एस्थेटिक शॉट ऑफ फेकनेस। पॉइंट नंबर 7, हैव अ सिग्नेचर एंगल एंड नॉट अ सिग्नेचर स्टाइल। बिकॉज स्टाइल हर कोई कॉपी कर लेता है, बट एंगल कोई भी कॉपी नहीं कर सकता। एंड एंगल से मैं कैमरा एंगल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ समथिंग, कि आप किस चीज़ को कैसे देखते हो। दैट्स योर एंगल थ्रू योर लेंस, योर आइज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुम कैसी वाइब शो करते हो अपने आप को लेके, लाइक तुम काम हो, तुम सॉफ्ट गर्ल हो, तुम सार्केस्टिक पर्सन हो, या फिर तुम किस चीज़ को किस चीज़ में व्यू करते हो। तुम्हारे लिए कॉलेज इंपॉर्टेंट है, तुम्हारे लिए इंटर्नशिप्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, तुम्हारा इस चीज़ को लेके पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है, तुम्हारा वीडियोस बनाने पे पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है, तुम्हारा जो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी टॉपिक चल रहा है आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडी, एंड तुम्हारा उस पर व्यू क्या है। दैट इज़ योर एंगल विच नो बडी कैन रियली कॉपी। दे माइट ट्राई टू, बट दे विल बी कॉल्ड आउट, बिकॉज वो तुम्हारा एंगल है, तुम्हारा स्टाइल नहीं है। स्टाइल इसकी तुम बात कैसे कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, बट एंगल इसकी तुम सोच कैसे रहे हो। तुम्हारी सोच हर कोई कॉपी नहीं कर सकता, एंड सोच को कॉपी करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। ये एग्जैक्टली तुम्हारी रियल पर्सनैलिटी दिखाता है, कोई फिल्टर्स नहीं। सो अगेन सेइंग, हैव अ सिग्नेचर एंगल एंड नॉट अ सिग्नेचर पर्सनैलिटी। नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 8, बी द फर्स्ट टू से इट। हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ फील कर रहा होता है, एंड मोस्टली जो हम फील कर रहे होते हैं वही सामने वाला भी फील कर रहा होता है। सो बी द पर्सन जो सबसे पहले बोलता है, बी द फर्स्ट वन इन द रूम टू स्पीक फर्स्ट। फील हम सब कर रहे होते हैं, बट जो एक इंसान बोल पाता है उस कमरे में, लोगों से भरे कमरे में वही हमेशा स्टैंड आउट करता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर तुम्हारा किसी चीज़ को लेकर पर्सपेक्टिव है और वही मोस्टली 90% लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव है, पर वो बोल नहीं पा रहे किसी वजह से, बट तुम बोलते हो, तो you will stand out. People will remember you. What people really want to say but they can't, they will remember the one who said it first. Always remember this, because this is the real growth of a personal brand. Because you are taking courage to say things what other people are feeling superior of. Now, the final pointer is your offline brand is the real brand. The way you live in your real life offline, the way you manage your time, the way your schedule looks, the way you speak to others, the way you are doing anything, the way you say or do something to someone, it all adds up to your personal brand. There is always a pattern in whatever you are doing. You will have a pattern in your offline brand, and that same pattern will follow up in your online brand no matter how much you fake it. After a point of time, you will have to show, or it will naturally flow, the real self you are. Even if you're faking it, your online presence, your offline presence will overshadow it for sure. So, to have a good online brand, you need to have a good and positive offline brand. And that does not mean you have to be fake in your offline life, you just have to be more positive and more real. That same pattern will follow up to your online brand. As simple as that. You'd never need to fake it. You just have to be real, and growth happens when things are real. So, yeah, guys, this was my take on how to build a personal brand or how a roadmap should be. I wish someone should have told me this earlier, or when maybe I was entering college, because now I'm almost passing out of college and I still feel like would have done way much more if I would have known these things prior. So, congratulations, you know, guys know it. But yeah, everything happens for a reason, and this was my take, as I said earlier. And if you want any more specific videos for like maybe micro skill stacking, that was a point, and maybe invisible resume, just do comment down below and I will come up with a video for that. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the lovely comments you gave and the suggestions you gave. I really consider those in making videos. And yeah, see you next week with another masterpiece. Until next time, cheers. Back up!